Look, man, welcome back, man. Mr. 300, man. Thanks for checking, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for coming back. Listen to what I got to say, man. But let's get right into it, man, before we get all crazy, man. This is gonna be a quick video, man, so be sure to watch the whole thing. Watch the whole thing to the end, man, because I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons why what I'm talking about is really important, and the last one is like the most important one of all, man. So basically we're gonna talk about, man, how they lied to us, man, saying that quality over quantity crap, man. Like when you making YouTube videos, when you first starting out, man, I don't believe in none of that, man, because you got to get one out there, man, to go viral, to get some traction, to get your channel going. If you spending 20 hours on one video and then you don't got any subs, so that one video don't hit, it's a waste. You done wasted 20 hours, man. But if you put out a video that take you an hour, one of those 20 videos gonna hit, man. They're gonna hit hard, they're gonna go viral for whatever reason. There is no way to really tell why a video went viral or whatever, but it's gonna happen if you just keep on putting out video after video after video, man. Another thing how they lied to us, man, is saying that, you know, one thing that I believe, you know, like little accomplishment help you, you know, your creativity flow, and once you get one accomplishment out of the day or whatever, you know, it helps the rest of the day, you know. So a lot of motivational people say make your bed every morning, you know. Make your bed because that's one thing that you can check off the list, and that's one accomplishment. And I believe I'm with that. But to me, I think making a video every day is much better than making your bed every day. And I'm gonna tell you why. One reason is I don't want to make my bed every day. Like, I could pay somebody to make my bed. Whoever was in the bed with me can make the bed. I can leave it, my bed junky or whatever, man. Like, I'm not trying to make my bed every day, man. So that's one time where if that's what you putting all your eggs in, to have a good morning and have a good day and start off everything correctly, I'm not making my bed every day. So you telling me I'm already at a disadvantage because I'm not doing that, you know? So if you're making a YouTube video, though, you can knock out a video every day on something that you really want to talk about, that you really want to understand and really want to, you know, I'm just driving right now, so just don't mind me. But yeah, it's just like a video that you can pop out, and it could be something that you really care about. And the thing is, that video can get you to the next level, and you feel like, I completed a video, I did a thumbnail, I did a description, I did, you know, I did the tags, I did all of that, man. I put it in the playlist, and that's one thing that you can start the day off with and say, man, I got one video out the way, you know? So I think that's one reason why making YouTube videos a video a day is better than making your bed, you know, like some motivational people would tell you. Now, I know a lot of people don't make videos, a lot of people don't like making videos, get in front of the camera and all that type of stuff, but if you're watching this video, I'm just gonna assume that you do. You're just trying to make videos, you're trying to get it going, you're trying to get something moving, and that's the first thing you can do, is make a video every single day, because that knocks out something saying that you did something, an accomplishment, you know. The second thing I'm gonna say is, if you make a video every day, anybody making videos, man, comment down below, subscribe down below, comment down below, anybody. But definitely, man, if you make videos, man, comment down below if you know the struggle of making a video consistently about a topic that you know, but it's just hard to come up with different ideas on what to talk about. If you're making a video every day, one positive thing that's going to do for you, that's going to constantly make you learn new things about that topic. I might know everything about basketball, but I don't know if I can make a video about basketball every day without doing some research. So in return, like as a result of me making a video every day, it's gonna make my knowledge grow in that particular category. It's gonna make me become more aware in the situation of the topic that I'm talking about, you know, just because I'm trying to figure out things to make videos on every day. So it's gonna force me to learn and do something and create something, because it's like, we can't just keep talking about the same thing. Yeah, we know a dunk, we know a layup, we know this, but let's start talking about pick and rolls. Let's start talking about this, let's start talking about that. And that's gonna take time for you to learn, do research, and you're just gonna become a better person, because that's more reading, that's more, you know, information that you put into your mind that you can apply in other areas. So if you're making a video every day, you just automatically are gonna become more, you know, you're gonna have a better understanding on that particular topic because of the research that it requires, you know. And the last thing, like I said, man, this is not gonna be a long video. This is just something I was thinking of as I was driving home. If you make a video every day, man, that's more opportunity for you to get more money, man. That's more subscribers that you can get. That's more watch time that you can get. That's more, like I said, understanding. That's more accomplishments. That's more things you could check off the list. But like I said, there's more money involved if you make a video every day. I ain't getting no money making my bed every day. Like, that's not something that's gonna give me a return on my investment. But if I buy a good camera, if I buy a good equipment, if I buy a good microphone, if I have an idea and I have all this type of stuff, there's no reason why I can't make a video every day. And if I'm making a video every day, there's no reason why I can't get 1,000 subscribers to be able to get monetized on YouTube, because you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to become monetized on YouTube and start making money on talking about stuff that I really want to talk about. So that's 3 reasons why you should make videos every day instead of making your bed every day, man. It's Mr. 300, man. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below. Be sure to share. Be sure to do anything, man. I appreciate you guys watching. I love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day, man. Comment down below if you guys want to see something in particular. I know this wasn't a regular car video, but I just had something on my mind that I just wanted to get out, man. It's hot as heck, so I know I'm sweating a little bit, but man, I hope you guys having a great day, man. I know I can't say that enough. Every time somebody comment, like, and all that type of stuff, man, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, man. I know a lot of people say that, but I really mean it, man. I'll be checking that little YouTube Studio app constantly, man. And I know my lips was trapped, man. I just came back from the damn in Vegas festival, so I was out in the freezing cold for 3 days straight, you know, trying to listen to some music, man. So I'm kind of under the weather now. My lips all dry, whatever. Anyway, hope you guys having a great day, man. Love you guys. Check in, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that type of stuff, man. Have a great day. Kill it. Kill it. Make a video every day, man. Don't just watch YouTubers, man. You can be a YouTuber in a week. You can be a YouTuber in a day, man. You got something to talk about. You just got to be one step ahead of the last person. So let's go, man. Have a good one. Peace.